Here's the Soundcore P30i Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So first thing is make sure the buds are in the case. Let's go ahead and close it first. And now we're going to go ahead and open up settings on your iPhone. So go to settings, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now if you look down here under other devices, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, so let's go ahead and open these up now. And I want you to grab these and put this right into your ear. Okay, put it into your ear. You should hear a ding 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 ding. The turn on chime, and now I hear doot doot. Okay, so mine's not in pairing mode. Mine is actually connected to a different phone. Okay, if yours is in pairing mode, it should show up down here. Okay, now for me, because I'm connected to a different phone, I have to put it in the pairing mode. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in the case, make sure the light goes off. Okay, now what I'm going to do for myself, because I'm connected or paired to a different phone, I'm going to go ahead and pick these up. I'm going to put them in my ear, and as soon as I put them in my ear, the logo on here, I'm going to press both like that, and as soon as I tap here, I should hear beep beep on both sides, and I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it for about 8 seconds. Okay, so let me go ahead and do it over again. So light's going to go off. Now I'm going to open up. I'm going to take them both and put it into my ear, and I'm going to get ready to tap on that logo. So they're both in, and I hear meaning it's connected. Now I'm going to tap both. Ready, go. I hear beep beep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I hear beep beep beep, and now it should be in pairing mode, and it's already there. Okay, so from here we'll tap on there, and now we're connected. We're ready to go. Now if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.